Hi friends, I thought I would make a tutorial on how to use D2L for our course. Different instructors do things a little bit differently. And some of you have never taken a course through D2L, or if you have, D2L isn't the most friendly thing. When you log in, sorry about that. When you log in, you'll see announcements. This is how I'm going to keep you updated on different things, so make sure you log in frequently to see any kind of announcements that I put in there. I tend not to use email because a lot of times people's email from D2L goes to their trash and they don't see it, so I just use announcements. So whenever you log in, this is sort of maybe, hopefully, how you'll see it. Most of our things are in content. So you want to click on Get Started, and there's the welcome letter that I have for you all. And then here's the syllabus. So make sure you look at that. You want to click on Learning How to Use VoiceThread. You need to click here to join our group. It will prompt you to create a VoiceThread account. When you do, make sure you put your first and last name. Please use your last name that you're registered for in this class. If you've gotten married or your last name is different, for grading purposes, use whatever you're registered on in this class. It will save me a headache of trying to figure out who you are. And then I have like an introduction to how to use VoiceThread. All of these modules will be hidden to you until you do this. So if your view is different because you haven't clicked on that, that's because I have everything else hidden until you do that. Okay. So when you click on each module for each week, basically there's going to be three things that are there every time. Your readings, your lectures, and your discussions. So when you click on readings, this is where you'll find the electronic readings. So it's right there. It's a PDF. So that's where your readings are when you have electronic readings. Also, like I just pulled this from the syllabus, what your required readings are for the week. And then also there's the lectures here, and the lectures are on VoiceThread, but I also provide you with the PowerPoint for that. The closed captioning is right on VoiceThread. So, and then the last thing that's in every single week is discussions. So make sure that you click on those. And most of the time I do have, like if there's a quiz or other kind of things due, I will put it in the module. But I want to show you where you can find those in one place. So this is where your assignments, there's one assignment that you'll have to do. So that's where you will find the instructions for it. And that's where you will submit it. So here's all the things that you need for that assignment. And this is where you can find the quizzes. So they'll all be there. I need to update those still. Okay, so under assessments, you can also find your grades. I keep the grades updated. I try to stay on top of it. So you'll be able to see what your grades are, and you'll be able to see your comments, the comments that I give you, if I give you any. So you should be able to see what your grades are. You should be able to see like what your updated final grades are as well. So, excuse me. That's where you'll find that. And honestly, that's really the nuts and bolts of everything that you'll need to do for this class. So I hope that this was helpful for you. And if you see something that doesn't make sense, please let me know. Don't assume that I know. So if something is incorrect in D2L or even on the syllabus, just send me a quick little email and then I'll fix it for everybody. D2L has a lot of things to click here and click there and box this and box that that I miss sometimes, despite my best efforts. So I hope this was helpful to you.